We know you couldn't get enough of our South Beach design, a perfect fusion of the breathtaking Clearwater Beach and the iconic Taj Mahal Shallow. Well, we've got news for you. We've cooked up something even more exciting. Presenting the new and improved Daytona Beach. We've cranked up the fun factor by adding a deep end to the beloved South Beach design, making it more thrilling and versatile than ever before. Imagine splashing around in an enormous swimming basin that measures a whopping 45 in length and 16 in width. Our team has really pushed the limits, incorporating a mind-boggling 8-deep end, something only a manufacturer as innovative and skilled as San Juan Pools could pull off. And that's not all. To make your summer experience even more memorable, we've added a special beach entry feature to the Daytona Beach design, ensuring that you enjoy ultimate relaxation and have all the fun under the sun. We're all set to make your summer splash-tacular. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.